Can anybody catch Kyle Larson? Not today.
You're going to the bottom here.
Watch Jones. Big run in there.
My name is Jim McKenzie. I'm the Engineering Applications Manager for Hendrick Motorsports. I'm on my 30th year there now, and we are a NASCAR Cup racing team. We have been the most successful team in the history of the sport. We use Teamcenter to integrate and connect everything that we do, whether it's in the shop or at the racetrack, marketing. We do 37 race weekends every year, but we have to track all of that. And we do that, pretty much all through Teamcenter. We use service lifecycle management to track all of our assets at the racetrack, whether it's vehicular or engine. We have physical locations that they run through. And when we're at the racetrack, we actually measure cycles on the engines itself. So we have 54 entities that have a finite life cycle. Some things time out before others, and we use SLM to manage these data. We design parts with NX, and that's all done handled through Teamcenter. We maintain these parts within service lifecycle management. It's our physical structure of the engines themselves. So when an engine comes in to be rebuilt, we'll look at the cycles. On average, we put 1.2 million cycles, on the engine. So if any of these are going to be mileaged out, the system will let us know that it's time, we need to replace it. So we'll remove a part and put another one in its place. As we begin a new engine build, our engine shop manager knows where he wants this engine actually to go to, whether it's a super speedway or a smaller track or a mile or larger track, because the engine component itself will change on those three different configurations. And that engine is tracked throughout its entire life cycle, and it's tracked basically from cradle to grave. From the very beginning, service life cycle management plays a big role in where we're going and what we're doing. So we're configuring engine systems through service lifecycle management with the Envisit Structure Manager options and variants. We create variant conditions and formulas, make it so that when going from one engine, say from an open engine to a restrictor plate engine, this used to take one of our engineers almost 5 hours, to change configuration. And now with service lifecycle management, sometimes we can do it in less than 5 minutes. It's been a tremendous time savings for us. That works on the vehicle side, also. This time that we save in doing this is more time that we spend in engineering and testing to make us better and more reliable at the racetrack.